Welcome to Sun Farm Channel. Today, we promise to bring you many fascinating insights about an animal known for its resilience in the harsh desert environment. Can you guess what animal it is? Please leave your answer in the comments below. Yes, in the majestic appearance of the desert, there is a special mystery waiting to be discovered. That is the camel, mysterious and mystical companions of the sandy and sunny land. Their image, with graceful steps between sand dunes and deep eyes, is not only a symbol of life in harsh conditions, but also something mysterious and captivating. Camels not only have amazing adaptability to harsh desert environments, but also bring fascinating stories of intelligence and closeness to humans. From their long-term water addiction ability to their smartest route choices, camels constantly make us wonder and want to learn more about the mysteries behind their life journey in the vast desert lands. This is what ignites our curiosity, making us eager to explore and understand more about the mysterious life of camels in the wild world. You know, on the vast fields of the desert, there are beautiful camel farms built with dedication and care from farmers. These farms are not only places to nurture camels, but also attractions that draw tourists wanting to explore the culture and lives of these skilled breeders. Each farm is meticulously and professionally designed, with spacious and well-ventilated pens ensuring comfortable and safe living spaces for camels. The large pens are covered with fine sand, providing favorable conditions for camels to move around and bask in the sunlight. Moreover, camel farms have lush green gardens where fresh green grass and juicy fruits are grown to provide nutrition for the camels. Farmers also tend to other natural foods like dried grass and carefully selected seeds to ensure the quality of camel feed. Beyond being breeding grounds, camel farms also welcome visitors and tourists, introducing them to the biological characteristics and care techniques for camels. This not only generates additional income for farmers, but also promotes interest and understanding among people about this special animal species. Camels not only have amazing adaptability to harsh desert environments, but also bring fascinating stories of intelligence and closeness to humans. From their long-term water addiction ability to their smartest route choices, camels constantly make us wonder and want to learn more about the mysteries behind their life journey in the vast desert lands. This is what ignites our curiosity, making us eager to explore and understand more about the mysterious life of camels in the wild world. Camels not only have amazing adaptability to harsh desert environments, but also bring fascinating stories of intelligence and closeness to humans. From their long-term water addiction ability to their smartest route choices, camels constantly make us wonder and want to learn more about the mysteries behind their life journey in the vast desert lands. This is what ignites our curiosity, making us eager to explore and understand more about the mysterious life of camels in the wild world. Is the extreme environment affecting the development of camels, or does it actually help them become healthier and thrive better? At the farm, the process of camel development from newborns to strong and healthy individuals is a journey full of mysteries and wonders. Everything starts with tiny, fragile, but lively camels when they are born. They are carefully nurtured by providing proper nutrition and creating the best living conditions. Gradually, these camels start walking, chewing natural food, and developing strong bodies. As camels grow up, they are cared for and trained to become reliable companions in daily life. These training programs not only help them develop good health, but also instill discipline and stability in their behavior. What's special is that this development process is not just the work of farmers, but also a combination of deep understanding of biology and behavior of camels. The care and dedication of farmers, along with the natural and mysterious aspects of camel development, are what make people curious and want to explore more about this unique animal species. However, even as young camels, they still need the tender care and dedication of farmers. Carefully prepared meals and a diverse diet are provided daily to help them grow strong and healthy. providing nutritious food and clean drinking water is a top priority. Farmers meticulously prepare balanced meals, including dried grass, green grass, and supplemental foods, ensuring that each camel receives enough nutrients to grow robust and healthy. Moreover, taking care of the health of camels is also done with special care. Farmers ensure that each animal is fully vaccinated and promptly treated if necessary. Regular health checkups and vaccinations help keep the camel herd healthy and resilient in the harsh desert environment. The farmers' attentive care and love extend beyond providing food and health care to camels. It also includes creating the best living conditions for them. From building comfortable camel pens to protecting them from harsh weather conditions, everything is carefully planned to ensure the safety and happiness of the camel herd. Are you curious about the food source for camels, or do you already know what camels eat? Share your thoughts with everyone. At the farms, the main food source for camels is dried grass and green grass, carefully tended and harvested from vast grasslands. Every day, farmers adjust the food supply for camels, ensuring they have enough nutrients to maintain health and energy. Dried grass, harvested and processed carefully, is the primary food source for camels during dry periods. The bales of dried grass are neatly arranged in large storage areas, ensuring that each camel has enough food to consume. Choosing high-quality and nutritious dried grass is crucial to ensure camels receive essential nutrients. Additionally, green grass plays a vital role in the camel's diet. Carefully cultivated and preserved grasslands provide a natural and nutritious food source for camels. Every day, camels are released into the grasslands to freely graze on lush green grass, providing energy and nutrients for their bodies. From dried grass to green grass, all food sources at the farms are meticulously selected and cared for, ensuring camels have a diverse and balanced diet. This helps them grow healthy and thrive long-term in the harsh desert environment. Camels are not just wild animals in the desert. They also bring many special benefits to humans. With their resilience and adaptability to harsh environments, camels have become reliable companions for people living in desert regions. One of the most obvious benefits of camels is their ability to transport goods in the desert. With strength and patience, they can traverse rugged and vast terrains, carrying essential goods from one place to another, playing a crucial role in trade and exchange of goods between different areas. Furthermore, camels are used as means of transportation for tourists on desert exploration journeys. Not only is it a unique experience, but camel trekking also allows tourists to experience the life of local people and explore the beautiful landscapes of the desert authentically and uniquely. Moreover, camels are also used in agriculture, providing milk and meat for humans. Camel milk is known for its high nutritional value and low fat content, while camel meat is a rich source of nutritious protein. With such diverse and important benefits, camels are truly an indispensable part of the lives and culture of people living in desert regions. Welcome to the modern camel meat processing plant, where you will experience advanced technologies and high-standard production processes. The facilities are designed with state-of-the-art equipment and systems to ensure that the slaughter and processing of camel meat are safe and environmentally friendly. All workers at the plant undergo extensive training to ensure that the processing and handling of camel meat are done according to regulations and standards. These plants strictly control quality at every stage, enhancing productivity and improving the quality of camel meat products. The camel meat processing plant is an attractive and promising destination where modernity and tradition converge to create the best camel meat products. Stepping into the plant, you will be amazed by the organization and advanced technology, with processing lines designed to meet the highest standards for every product. From meat processing to packaging and preservation, each process is carried out with precision and delicacy. Modern technology and advanced equipment are used to ensure that every piece of camel meat is fresh, delicious, and safe for consumers. But it's not just about technology, it's also about the passion and dedication of the workers at the plant. They are not just employees, but also artisans, creating the most exquisite and delicious camel meat products. With the perfect combination of technology and human effort, the camel meat processing plant is not just a place of meat production, but also a symbol of quality and trustworthiness. It is where you can trust that every piece of camel meat you purchase comes from the best source, providing the most excellent culinary experience for your meals. Camel meat is an incredibly rich and nutritious food source. Not only does it offer a unique and delicious flavor, but it also provides essential nutrients for human health. With high-quality protein content, camel meat is an ideal food source for building muscles and recovering after physical activities. Camel meat also provides unsaturated fatty acids, especially monounsaturated fatty acids, helping maintain lipid balance in the body. Camel is not only a nutrient-rich meat source, but it also provides a plentiful source of milk, which is beneficial. Let's join Sun on a visit to modern camel milk farms, such as Al Ain Farms, one of the renowned farms in the United Arab Emirates. Established in 1981, this farm has become a home to approximately 4,000 camels and is considered one of the few specialized camel breeding farms in the world dedicated to milk production. Camel milk is produced using bacteria-free methods and undergoes rapid processing to ensure the freshness and nutritional value of the product. These facilities can produce 4 million liters of milk annually. Camel milk is known for its high nutritional value and is excellent for health. Compared to cow's milk, camel milk contains less fat and cholesterol while being rich in protein and minerals such as calcium, potassium, and magnesium. Additionally, camel milk contains essential amino acids that the body cannot synthesize on its own, promoting health and supporting the body's recovery process after exercise. Upon entering the camel milk processing plant, you will be captivated by the lively atmosphere and sweet aroma emanating from high-quality fresh milk products. This is where modernity and nature blend together, creating the purest and most nutritious camel milk products. The milk processing process begins with collecting milk from energetic camels. Precision and professionalism are demonstrated through the use of modern equipment to safely and hygienically extract milk. Milk is processed immediately after collection to preserve the fresh taste and nutritional value of camel milk. The milk is filtered and refined to remove any impurities, ensuring that each product meets the highest standards of cleanliness and food safety. Finally, the milk is packaged in beautiful bottles and boxes, ready to be delivered to stores and consumers nationwide. The camel milk processing plant is not just a milk production facility, but also a symbol of quality and dedication in every product. It is where you can trust that every time you drink camel milk, you are enjoying excellent taste and the best health benefits from nature. The camel milk processing process at the plant is carried out according to the highest quality standards. It begins with selecting healthy camels for milking, followed by milk filtration and sterilization using advanced technology to ensure food safety and hygiene for consumers. At this plant, camel milk can be processed into delicious and nutritious milk products or other personal care products such as shampoos, bath milk, etc. Thank you all so much for taking the valuable time to watch our video about the life and useful information about camels. We are delighted and proud to know that the video has brought you new and interesting knowledge about this special animal. We hope that through the video, we have helped you understand more about the diverse aspects of camel life and answered some important questions about them. At the same time, we look forward to continued support from everyone for future videos from Sun Farm. Don't forget to subscribe and like to stay updated with our latest and exciting content. Thank you all very much, and see you in the upcoming videos.